Alright. Only paperwork don't say a whole lot. But this is the Vevor 37 by 57 fence. Well, this part was broke. But the box didn't look too good. This piece is a little messed up. I will say the main parts, the larger parts, look nice. And heavy duty. I wasn't expecting it to be this heavy. Pretty solid. I like that. Tape measure looks good. Random pieces is in the box. I don't know exactly what yet all this goes to. Hey, that's the broke piece. Been waiting a while on this thing, so I do not plan on sending it back. I will make it work. I may see about trying to get another one of those pieces. Either making my own or getting them to send me one, but it's not going back. Drill bit. This is not part of it. I'll look for a drawer later. Looks like somebody else's drill bit. Old drill bit. They decided to just throw in there with it, I guess. Maybe I need it, I don't know. We'll see. Overall, it looks good. Some halfway decent instructions. Haven't read through them yet, but we'll see. Bunch of machine screws, nuts, washers, lock washers. Little guides inside of there with my line on it. Measuring portions. Random machine screw, nut, Allen wrench, and drill bit, loosely stored. All good. Put them on this table. We'll see what we got when we're done.